It's just really cool to team up and work with other creators who are in the 3D printing space, who have experience coming up with designing and building these really cool ideas.
To bring your project in a suitcase contest, I brought a 3D printed motorbike, fully 3D printed, that runs on real batteries. It was a super fun project.
What I'm bringing is printed in many parts, and it is a pump action vortex launcher.
I'm working on a chair right now. I don't know if you can see it. And so I had the issue that a couple of the parts warped, so I need to reprint them on the Core 1L.
It's so relieving to speak to someone who actually understands your problems, not just content creation wise, all the struggles with editing and preparing the videos and da-di-da-di-da, but also the engineering challenges.
I've met some fascinating folks that I've seen online and gotten to just be in the midst of really creative and thoughtful and inspiring energy.
That's what I get out of this, is friendship and a common interest that you can talk about. That's not possible with everyone to talk about.